James Armstrong from Cassilis in New South Wales. We've got a mixed farm, sheep, cattle and some dual purpose cropping. It's my wife and I. Kylie came along to this event, which was great, and my parents, and we're just finalising our succession plan. I knew it was going to be some good like-minded people here. It's always good to talk to other people in similar scenarios or learn from people who are further down the track than us. I like seeing the examples of people who might have been where we are now. It's a good way of learning. You know, getting that balance right between family and operational success. Setting some goals and having some sort of a system to make the goals become a reality. Getting the advice on systems, and probably I'm guilty of over-analysing. And not just getting into it. So my thing would be, when we get home, is just make a start and go from there. I'd say that the work starts now, and we've got to be mindful that we do that when we get home. But as opposed to some other things I've done, there's now an avenue to make it happen, and it's up to us. So it's easy to go home and get busy again, but now it's up to us to reach out to, or just start somewhere and then keep going. I'd definitely say come, and if you've searched out something like this, you're probably ready to get into it. So yeah, don't hold back.